In this video, we're going to be talking about how to contact Target customer support. So let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and simply go ahead and head into help.target.com, just like that. You're going to be taken to this page right over here. You can simply go ahead and choose whatever issue you might have. So make sure that you are logged in into your account, of course. And now this is where you want to simply go ahead and look for the problems. So let's just say, for example, head into settings, help, target help. And then click on view our contact options. If you don't find a better option yet, just head into target help again. And then click on security concerns right over here. And as you can see, this is where you can directly call them. So target gift card calls, guest relations calls, and so on. I normally call this number, which is the 1-612-304-6073. So I recommend you the same as well. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.